Mic check, mic check. You guys hear me? God damn it, I fucking missed it again. This is annoying. Mic check. All right, yeah. Fucking missed the buys here just now. I fucking pushed home, motherfucker. Yo, I booked it the fuck home. I should have kept my kids at home. I knew this shit was coming down. Fuck. Yeah, no 30 pips. All right, anyway, we'll give it another chance. Probably off this weak ass level up down here. Oh man, what a fucking joke. Look. That's a 40 pip bounce. Anyway, welcome, fuckers. How's the music? This is all brand new sound equipment again, and we're gonna try to figure this music thing out here right now. Gonna try to figure out, see if we're getting good sound, if we're getting clear sound, and if we're getting sound everywhere. Fuck, man, I'm frustrated. I wanted to finish the morning right here. I wanted to do this straight and just get the fuck out of here. I got a lot of shit to do today, but I guess that's not the case, and we'll fucking sit here. All right, yeah, let's get into it. Fuck an intro. Glad to see everybody here. You all made it. Who gives a shit why you're here and how you're here? You're fucking here. So let's be happy with that bullshit. The 1 hour, right? Daily bullish, weekly bullish, 4 hour bullish, right? Everybody and their mother is bullish. So you know what that means? There's no fucking sells. We're not selling shit. We're looking for buys. Sorry, do you see these blue lines? You see these blue lines? Not no more, you don't. All right. Have a support forming here. Get a resistance formed here. Pretty clear at this point. You can't look for a pancake because we've done pancaked already. Right? It already bounced off of here. The 15 level looked pretty amazing right there. That looked great. So ideally, I don't want to see price come down any further. I want price to form a support here so we can continue up. The reason I don't want it to come down any further is I don't want to be breaking the previous 4 hour low, right? I'm really cool right here. If we do break the 4 hour low, that doesn't mean we're heading down either. It means you're going to have to wait for a closure to kind of get that confirmation, which means we can still bounce if we break the previous 4 hour low, but this is a better area to bounce. And I think we might be heading back up here. Let's get a 15 close in our direction, and maybe we'll head up. Okay, but it's been a yeah. We're way late here on a pancake. Hold on, I gotta check my sound. Is Zoom in here? Zoom's not in here. Let me let people in. Fucking ran here as fast as I could. Somebody in Zoom speak.
What's up?
Hey, what up? I want to see how YouTube hears us. Hold on. I want to see how YouTube hears us. Hold on. I got to make an adjustment to my voice. I think it sounds a bit processed. I got to make an adjustment to my voice. voice. I think it sounds a bit.
Maybe just a little.
Sounds a bit processed, right? Is this better though than the previous setup last week? Sounds a bit processed, right? Is this better though?
Well, you're clear and we can hear you. So yeah.
Yeah, I think this is better than last week. Processed is a good word. Yeah, I feel like it sounds a bit like the computer has something to do with the way it sounds. Much better than last week's show. There you go. It sounded like this all the time. Nah, it's worse there. Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna stick to this for better or for worse, because I try to be a sound engineer and this shit is difficult. AI generated Wix. Yeah. All right. All right, let me get the music back. There we go. How do we sound with the music? Is it louder than me? Is this music louder than me? Is this music louder than me? No, it's not. Yeah, I had that like. Oh, I'm gonna have a buy limit here in this place. This was the better one right here. Up here, this was the better one. Buy limit. And it gave more. I think it gave almost 40. 3946.9. And yeah, we could say, well, looks, why don't we just take it to there? Because we can kind of bottom out here and close back up in range and never get here. But if we do get there, I'll just have a buy limit. And if we blast through it, it's 30 pip stop. Rather have this though? Yeah. Better than last week. Game, please accept my best wish not only for today, but for the rest of the week. I hope you all have a profitable week. Great learning session from Go. Yep. Look, we close any kind of respect of 39.53 bullish or bearish, right? I'm gonna have a buy limit on the break of the highs here. But this is a 30-minute candle, right? A lot of time here. Maybe it's the next 15 that comes back up. We'll see. Man. Oh shit, my joint's burning outside. Yeah, the shit died. Went out. Went out. Damn.
Yeah,
Yes.
we can hear you. Yeah.
I'm clear.
Yeah, we can hear you. You're gonna get spam.
I can even hear your frustrations.
if I'm on mute because of Baby Shark.
I got you. Okay, cool. Zoom heard me. All right. Wait, I gotta figure this out, how this would work. All right. You guys hear music on Zoom?
Nope. Not really.
Okay, see, like, Zoom is not filtering correctly. So I did everything right except the Zoom.
Yeah, but we all right.
Well, hold on. How about this? Can you guys hear me right now? Can you hear me now? Do you hear anything I'm saying?
Everything.
Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Am I cutting in and out of Zoom?
No, not at all.
You hear me saying everything right now?
Absolutely.
Wait, hold on. Kenny, say something.
Something
Say something again.
again.
Okay. So this button doesn't mute me, it mutes you to me.
That.
Okay, no, I'm like, I got a bunch of different sound buttons and I'm trying to figure out which one's muting who. And I thought I muted myself to you or the music to you, but I did backwards. It's muting you to me. All right. Damn. All right. Well, hold on. Fuck that. Let's figure this out right now. Ah. All right, hold on. Zoom hears me right now, right? I'm gonna talk in a second and I'm gonna say all the same shit. I want to know if you guys hear me. Okay, does Zoom still hear me right now? Fuck you guys. Why do you hear me? Wait. But what about music then? Then you should be able to hear the music right now.
If it is, it's too low.
No. Music is loud enough. Yeah, this is bullshit. All right, we're getting a closure here in 1 minute. Wild. So, nope, we don't hear you, Wix. No clue what the fuck you're talking about. Ask us again.
You are not muted.
Shit. That's wild. closed, gang. We closed. Let's get a bottom wick. Ooh, last 15 of the 4 hour. 15 of the 4 hour. I think we could pull up here. Get a bottom wick. We get a bottom wick. I'm going to look for buys. This is good though. It broke the highs. If it comes down, it'll be really cool to see it tap down here. If it doesn't, oh well. We have any news today? I don't think so. Yeah, there's no news today. You know what? Let's see if we could come down here. That'd be awesome. On get a bottom wick buy. But if we can't come down here, I think I might actually wait on the next hourly. I think the next hourly is going to have a chance to come down and tap this area. I don't know if I'm going to take. We only have 13 minutes for this hourly, and I think the next hourly is going to need a bottom wick. So I don't think if we are to drive up, this isn't going to be the drive up yet, right? So even if we break this high, so I think it's going to have to be the next hourly, and we got 13 minutes. That's also the 4 hour closure. I'm sorry, on spot. It's going to be an hourly closure for us. It's going to close bearish, but we have a chance to bring this up after tapping 39.46 here. So. It would be amazing if we can get down here. I'm going to bring this up one. You see how it's 39.46.9? I think 39.47 would be a better number overall. Becomes a 32 pip stop here. But if we come up, we can come up. Sorry, give me a sec. I'm setting up some sound options here. I know there's people at the Zoom door. Give me a sec. Can you hear me right now, right? How about right now? You hear me right now?
Yep, yep,
You hear me right now?
yep.
So the stream hears me, right? Can I get a hell yeah on stream? Kenny does not hear me.
Sure I do.
Kenny don't like that. That weed sucks.
I don't know what you're talking about. I have no idea what you're talking about.
I don't know if I can't hear him or if he can't hear me. It's
I
one
can
of the
hear
two. You see, I see his mouth moving, but
I can hear you.
you can hear me? Wave your head. Hey, wave your head up and down if you can hear me, because I can't hear you.
What's your password?
Okay, so you can hear me, but I can't hear you. All right, we didn't hear what she was saying, but because apparently you're muted, not me. I gotta be the one muted. Let's try this again. Can he say something?
Yep.
Oh, why don't we hear him now?
Yeah.
Say something right now.
Something right now, my brother.
All right. What about now? Can you hear us now? That's fucked up. Is this new? Do you usually stream New York City? Yeah, we usually stream NYC every day. Every single day, 8 a.m. It's not new. We've been here with, yeah, is this new? Look at the record. 2 days. It's just this week so far. Damn, this shit came up. Bug it. Da, da, da. That's a good banger. Right here. That's a good one. Yeah, I don't like that shit. I don't know how I gotta turn on the music and mute myself. People at the Zoom door, welcome. Oh, by the way, I had 3 giveaway winners that were still waiting on their accounts this week, right? You guys, so I had Reggie, I had Michael, and I had Hey, Aaron. Right, AB? So, hey, I made you guys wait for a long time, right? So I had Top One send you guys two accounts, a 50K and a 25K. So, because I had you guys wait an extra week, my apologies. You guys get two accounts. Congratulations. So, yeah. If you received two logins, it's not a mistake, and you don't have to hide it from me. I know about it. I requested it. Jay's like, what the fuck? What about me? W, but fuck you. I want to wait an extra week. Yeah, I didn't do it on purpose. It's just kind of like it happened, right? So I was like, yo, can you guys hook him up with with an extra 25K? I don't pick and choose. I don't do sides here. I just like if it feels right, it feels right. Sometimes, you know, that's how it be sometimes. Delayed gratification sometimes is the best gratification. Yo, I don't know what we got going on here right now, but the way we're closing here. You can delete this, delete that. I wonder if the pending showed in the signals. Yo, check that out. Pending orders working in the signals. I had a busy weekend. We were working a lot of things. Yeah, I thought it was a mistake. Reggie was keeping it hush hush. He's like, damn, they sent me two. It's not a mistake. I requested. Yeah, I don't tell them. They ain't saying nothing. Top One makes no mistake. I won't tell them if you won't tell them. I don't know, man. Damn, so these guys just didn't say a thing? Nah, nobody said a word. I knew they wouldn't. I wasn't expecting them to. I wouldn't say a fucking word. I'd be like, look, they sent it. That means I deserve it. I wasn't expecting about it. Say nothing. Why would I say something? Someone's but 100%. Don't deny my blessing. You know what I'm saying? Accept it. I was saying, but since y'all brought it up, did we close above this 15 level? We did. It's 9 o'clock right now. We got a bottom wick. This is what I was talking about. We're gonna need the net. Look at that. We respected the hour. Hey, maybe we get a bullish closure here. I don't know. Maybe we fake out, but we were already faked out here. Yeah, there's a possibility we might have some buys here real soon. You telling me if you woke up with an extra 50K in your bank account, you're gonna call customer service and tell them it's not yours? uh I'm gonna roll a joint for that one. Like, fuck you, it ain't mine. I planned on this for my retirement. So Wix 9 stimmy. So Wix 9 stimmy. Where's my lighter? 100%. A lighter, yo. Y'all see my lighter? You guys got a lighter? Anybody got a lighter? No? Unreliable. I'm with you, bro. I'm right there with you. You got the lime green one? I found it. I got the... You know where I got this lighter? From my friend at the bodega who watches this stream. You're like, oh no, that's free. It's on the house. I'm like, beautiful. Thank you. This was going to be... it was really, you know, I had to decide today whether the lighter or do I get food. But man, you are now freeing me up from that decision. Stock Sniper Trade, Mr. Ron loses trades. He called on buys on YouTube. What, you don't lose trades? You've never lost a trade, bro. Yeah, boo him. He sucks. Shout out to Stock Sniper Trade for fucking streaming every day. To that guy. I mean, that's not like a thing in trading. Oh, he loses. That's not a thing anywhere. Like, I don't know anyone that doesn't lose. Some of us are incredible people and we still fucking feel like we lose every day, and then we're home like, yo, if I'm like I'm this good or that good, or I'm that kind of person, why the fuck am I losing every day, right? So, like, pointing out that somebody else lost is not really a flex. Shit. Like, sometimes I'd rather take the same loss and learn the same lesson than they did. He's a good trader. I took many losses and break-even trades. Wait, who's a good trader? Who are we talking about? You or him? He's not. He is a good trader. I took many losses and break-even trades, but you took the losses and break-even trades. Let's worry about ourselves. You know, it's the pot calling the kettle black. Gotta be. He sucks as a trader. I keep taking losses. I'm like, wait a minute, which one? You or him? Who sucks? That's tough. Oh, look at this. Green in the chatties. Hey, you got the chatties today, Green. Damn. That's a W. Yeah, here early. You know what that means? He's gonna leave early too. Harley in the building started showing up again. There was a little period of time where you weren't here. Good. He's a good trader, but nowadays he has a family problem. I feel like bro, I got family problems. I got family problems every single day. Every day. You ever met a man that's never argued with his wife or disciplined his kids? No. And if you have, that ain't really a man. It might be one of those LGBT HDTV people. Oh, his aunt died 2 days ago. Yep. So the last 2 days were off. I don't know. Man, I'm always here. I feel you. Maybe in spirit. Gang. We have broken the previous 15-minute low. We've grabbed orders for it. You know what? I'm going to have a little buy stop here. Gang, we're going to have a buy stop. Gonna be a current candle stop. That's why I'm going with 2 lots, because this is over 50 pips, 65 pips, 66 pips here. That should be fun. Unless we re-break the lows, then we might have to rethink a bit. Sorry. If it re-breaks lows, we'll obviously delete. But once it grabs these orders below the previous candle, creates a wick for it, as it starts coming up, it should not re-break that low. If it re-breaks the low, then you were off. $25. Mike sounding like a walkie-talkie, too many filters. There is an equalizer, a limiter, what else is there? There's a noise removal, EQ, compressor, and a de-esser. Oh man, can we run? Can we run? Yeah, I agree with you. It does sound a little. What did I say before? Processed is the word. Yeah, I said it sounds a little processed. True. 4 minutes, 4:20. If it doesn't activate in the next minute with like 3 minutes to go, I might delete and we might wait on the bottom wick of the next candle. Or if we get activated here, what might happen? If we get a bottom wick on the next 15, I might add positions as we start flipping. time we got left? Yeah, 15, 2 minutes. Yeah, let's delete this. Let's get a bottom wick on the next candle. And this is too late to activate because I think the next 15 will still give us a bottom wick, right? Hoping this would run with like 5-6 minutes left in the candle. Then we have some time, you know, before the next candle's got to make a bottom wick. I think we'll still get the same entry. We'll just have, instead of breaking the high and then coming back for a bottom wick on the next candle and waiting through some drawdown, we'll wait for that and then break out. I think if it was going to run like a slingshot off of this, you would have seen it happen. You know, it's been 15 minutes. It's been 13 minutes out of a 15-minute candle. It hasn't done that, right? So if it does that in the last minute, it's okay. Waiting for the new 15, maybe give us a better stop. Yeah, that's a good idea too, but that's why I said with a 50 pip stop, I'm going to have a 2-lot. And then maybe if we got activated and the next one made a bottom wick and rebroke highs, what we could have done was we could have added more to the position as it rebroke the highs, right? Ooh, that's way too much. Your area was never that noisy. What do you mean? What do you hear? What do you hear that's noisy around me? Oh. New 15 goes better stops. I like how you guys are already all prepared for this. Give me a friggin' bottom wick. All right, 1 minute to go. What we don't want this candle to break highs now, number one. Number two, we don't want this candle to close with no top wick. Bro, the mic is solid on YouTube? Okay. Chat is the first day of the week. Make sure to not over leverage or over trade. I concur. I agree. Bust the damn Bic again. I am back down for this gas bearish candle. We have to drive in 1 hour candle. If not so, well, it's almost NYC open, right? Give me a bottom wick. We get a bottom wick. Also kind of be like a celery play, right? As you break the highs here, it would be a celery play. Fucking give me a bottom wick. If it gives us a bottom wick, chat, we're gonna have biased us, but we need a wick. I need a stop. I can't use this to stop because then the entire time as we're coming up, I'll expect it to break it. But we break that low now. No, it's kind of cool. We're also holding this area. Let's see. Ah! Take me out of there. So right there, see we're holding that area. We don't get it on 15, we go on the 30. We don't get it on the previous 15, we go on the next 15. We don't get it on the next 15, we go on the 30. If this doesn't set up by 9:20, 25, 26. Then we'll wait on the 30-minute candle as well. That's that pre-trade stretch. I've been trying to smoke and it's not letting me. I'm waiting on this bottom wick. You know what if I bring the ashtray and him? Beat it. Can you guys hear me? You guys hear me yelling from across the room? Stinky ass ashtray. You got buy stops? I'm gonna have them as soon as we get a bottom wick. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
Hey, check. Can we take advantage and drop some likes? We've only got 47 likes.
Yes.
And
Drop the likes, baby.
226 watching. Drop a like. That'd be appreciated. And sub to the channel. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I didn't think you were here for a second. Oh, but you were here earlier. Now I remember you said something earlier.
Yeah, no, it's because I have Baby Shark playing because Bianca's on my lap because my girl was at the gym.
Mm. This is amazing. Look at that. We broke the high. It's gotten all the buyers in here. It's going to come down, make a bottom wick. Once it re-breaks highs again, after a bottom wick, there we go. So let's have a buy stop here. Oh. Was that it? That's scary. Two. I was thinking 3 or 4, but that stop is big. $60.6, $60.7.6. Man, I would like this to be a 3 or a 4 lot, but it's just 50 pips. That's a little tough. How much is the wick fill? 21. I think the wick fill is going to be our partial here. We're going to close one lot here. I think I'm going to close 60% of the position at the wick fill. NYC open incoming 8 minutes from now. Oh, we either break at NYC open with 8 minutes to go and get the top of the range, or we do it on the next 30, which would be NYC open itself. Gold hit OB. I'm not sure what an OB is. Yeah. Daily bullish, 4-hour bullish. Previous candle I'm talking about. I would not mind. Sorry, the music's too loud in my ear. I would not mind not getting activated here. I wouldn't mind that. If we don't get activated right now in this candle, and it's the next one. I don't know, like, a definition of an order block either. Unless it is what it is, like, it blocked orders. Like a resistance, right? We're not looking for, like, the macro look, right? We're looking at the micro look. So while maybe an order block, wait, we have people at the Zoom door. Here, welcome, come on in. Right, like maybe in this context, right? Order block makes sense, right? Maybe within this context. But within this context, it's not a thing for me. Or like even less, like within this context. That's not part of the equation. You're looking just to strictly take advantage of price action. Because yeah, maybe you hit this area here, right? And come back down. But in the macro, this area should get filled. I mean, in the micro, that area should get filled. I pulled out. The consolidation is scaring me. Plus the bear OB on top and New York coming in dangerous for me. It's NYC open. Yeah, it could come down here heavy. But if we're holding support, right, and we're breaking highs during the volume time, I'm going to trust NYC open to drive in the direction of price action and with the higher time frame. Right? Are we just creating a bottom wick for this 4-hour? Look at this. We've never broken the previous 4-hour. And right, it's you have a celery play coming up here on the 15. The 30 is re-breaking its high after holding the previous 30 held support. You've bounced off the bottom of that 30 or off that support to drive up to break that resistance, right? If you're gonna re-break highs, I mean, I'm gonna have to trust it to do what it's telling me. Right? Very simple. Got 4 minutes 20. Oh, 4:20 to go. You know what that means? Perfect time to light this J. Got activated. And how? We never got up there. We had the breaks of the highs after this high was made. It never came back up there. The high was made. We set it and it never got up there. But I think, like, I still think we'll get there. Oh, you got a top wick on the hourly now. I don't know. We are trade different. Yeah, we all trade different. I agree. I'm not convincing you to take my trade. All I'm doing is providing value through my own trading, right? I'm just showing you what I do. You don't have to do, like, there's no, like, no one's forcing you to do this. And if you've done what I've done over the last 5 years, you would have 543 wins, 76 losses, 149 break evens, and probably a new car in your driveway. Maybe maybe a house that's under your name. And at least $1 million. You know, $1 million has not hit my account from trading. Not yet, it hasn't. Not yet, but I still have not received deposits into my checking account worth $1 million. Money, 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 money. Thought BE was best ever. I got BE. I got best ever. Best ever what? I got the best ever. My trade hit best ever. The runner hit best ever. Yeah, we're about to delete this. We might not. Next 30 makes a bottom week, breaks highs. We still in there. Look, as long as we respect this level, I think, across the board to the left, we might even mirror the actual move. Like, look how this printed. Look how we're printing here. All right, you get this bearish candle here. You need to break at a highs. Let's just see what happens. And if we start breaking these lows down here, we'll have that buy limit. There's no sells. I'm not looking for any sells today, honestly. No sells. Zero. Zero. Ooh, ooh, ooh. NYC open. Bottom wick. Look how amazing that is. Man, I'm thinking of moving this to the wick fill. If we get... Yeah, I think we might have the break of the current candle high. That's a possibility. Watch the stops here. Oh shit, I haven't moved it on my... I'm not changing the account, the position size for one reason, because the stops are still technically around the same. Yeah, it's about a 50 pip stop. Going to be current candle stops here. If you look at the 30, right? We've grabbed all these orders. We're bouncing again off this support. If we're able to break the highs here, I'll trust NYC open to continue up. If it pumps us down, I'll probably set a buy limit down here. Buy limit will have 2 attempts there and there. Two. The partial TP, fill of the wick, roughly 20, 25 pips, 22 pips. Fill of the previous candle wick. NYC open. If we're on a bullish day, previous 4 hours bullish, if we end up bouncing off support and breaking highs, we should continue on up to retest the highs. Right, so we'll have a lovely runner as well. But if it doesn't break the high, right? If on the off chance it doesn't, continues down here, we'll have buy limits here, and then we'll look for some buy. $53.46. Okay, 60 pips. Oh. Volumize. Break the lows, we'll delete. I mean, that's pushing fucking 70 pip stops. Yeah, we can delete this. Delete. On futures, you're in a higher than to close spot. Oh, you're explaining something? Okay, risky buy, but small stop. I'm gonna have a buy limit here. 30 pip stop, go low, probably a 2 lot, 1 lot on the funded. Go 39.47 flat here. Put a pancakes. Gonna keep a stop below this. We'll either reject here or we'll smash through it. It's gonna be either a quick and painless win or a quick and painless lesson. This fucking thing starts breaking highs. I mean, gang, that is a 77 pip stop. We could do better. We can wait for the market to start printing in our direction and close above this most recent resistance, right? If it holds support here, we can either do this again, right, on one and then look for the break of the highs, or we can wait for an actual closure above this area, right? And once we do that, there's no more resistance in our way. We say, all right, now we've closed above the resistance, above the bullish day. We didn't just hold support. We've bounced off support and closed above resistance. But I can't take this buy at 80 pip stops right now. And then you can look for this, right? Man. It's just the risk is so much. Yeah, the likelihood of it coming up is high. Risk is makes sense. Or ask anybody that's taking it. Probably should be going break even. Couldn't come up with a decent wick. It had to fucking a million pip wick. Yeah, you can delete this. Delete this. That's why we said we're only looking for buys today. No sells. No sells in sight. Buys only. Target 4,000. I would say target 5,000 if you're investing or swinging. 5,000 easy target. But if you're not swinging, this fucking gold. No, I would say we were right. We weren't wrong, right? We read it absolutely correct. We also manage risk here, right? And it's a good habit to practice. Yeah, it goes in your direction, but you know, with that much risk, whenever it doesn't go in your direction, you'll get fucked. So you don't want to have this much on the table. Day only swinging. Give a heart attack if I have to snooze. Yeah, swinging will give me a heart attack if I have to snooze. Took me out, then flipped. Yeah, unless you're getting a read somewhere off down here, right? Off the 15s here. It's tough. Was in the bathroom, y'all got activated and already closed. You see this zero right here? See that motherfucking zero? That tell you the whole story. But just take it as a confidence builder, right? You were correct about where it was going to go. You were correct about timing, but you just weren't willing to put up 80 pips. Bougie was shitting. Green, one of those friends. You be telling him, yo, my stomach hurt. You be in the middle of the mall, Doug, dog, my stomach hurt. Green be like, you got explosive diarrhea? What? Be like, dog, shh. Come on, man. Wow, how right were we? All-time highs. Who's ready to witness more history? History will be made. Anyone else got activated on? Did anybody get activated, sit through the drawdown, and smash it just now?
Yeah, I was.
I was gonna say that's what I would not have closed that trade. This shit was gonna go up at some point. This support or next support, I probably would have sat through that fucking drawdown. Sweating. Yeah, good. We're so fucking bullish there. This shit only looking for buys. Not gonna lie. Oh, that's why Bougie went to take a shit. This shit scared the shit out of him. That drawdown scared the shit out of him.
I got
Literally.
activated, Rich.
You got activated, but you won, right? He came back up.
I got activated on the second buy limit you put on. And
But
I'm still in.
You're still in.
Yep.
W. Savage. Yeah, we got a trade, so I draw down, scared the shit out of him, took a shit, now he's in 35 pip profit. Savage. Watched the whole trade play. I have to hit my stop loss and drove 100. That sucks. Bubble guts. That's that gym diet. You know, people be like, yo, when you go to the gym, like, oh, so you're always constipated or you're always like, no, I honestly, like, I think the healthiest people are the ones that like go to the gym and eat clean, right? Like if you're growing without taking steroids, you're getting big, that means you're eating healthy, right? It's expensive to get big. It's expensive to like, you know, to be a bodybuilder, to grow muscle. It's expensive because you got to eat good. But you know, honestly, that's when you're the healthiest. You don't feel bad. You don't get constipated. You just feel great. You don't get no bubble guts. You get bubble nuts. Not bubble guts. It's a muscle. It's a muscle. Yeah, congrats. Congrats to everybody that took that W. I'll have mine in a little bit. Definitely done for the day. Time to chill and sit. Cough. Coffee. Chat, US government still shut down? Bro, there's a fucking spaceship / asteroid / half a fucking planet flying by Earth right now, and NASA shut down. Ain't that a bitch? We could be welcoming in an alien civilization, and NASA out there taking a fucking break at Lake Tahoe. Make it make sense. Partial taken, stop loss, push to break even. It's pure profit selling. Hey, house money. House money, money, money. House money, money. Down S&P 500 bleeding. Yeah, nah, I'm staying away from that right now. I feel great. I'm mad sore from the gym, and I feel like that's the best feeling I ever had. Like whenever I'm sore, or whenever I get like, you know, right after an exercise where you can't do it anymore because you have the pump, like you just ain't got no more range of motion because the pump too big. Like that pain. I love that pain. Because they both tell this, both of them are the good pain. They both tell you you're doing something right instead of you doing something wrong. Feel mad light right now, could crush away. The fucking toilet's clogged, bro. Need a separate septic tank for your ass. Yeah. Went into a calorie deficit. Wish you had a fucking exorcism in the bathroom, dog. Get these demons out of me. Yo, chill. Bougie was in there like there was a fucking like the whole spine arm. Oh man. Ain't you lactose? He said, nah, I'm good. It's a banger, by the way. I feel like this could be like my life theme music. Like I could just walk through life and have this shit playing in the background. Imagine you just walk around and there's just music playing. Like, my theme music, bruh. Cause you always fried? Hey man. Don't be peanut butter jelly. I am cause I can. Can you? Can you do that in your life? No, I swear, for the last week, people just asked me like, "Yo, what do you do? Like, are you a musician?" Like I'm like, "No, I don't do anything. I'm a janitor." Because they always wonder, like, how the fuck, like, what the fuck do I do that I can that I can be at the gym all the time in the middle of the day and look like a bum. What does he do? And how does he have money to be here? Because janitor works the best, right? Janitor, you just work night shifts and you can do whatever you want in the daytime. Your voice was so much clearer on the last mic setting. Do you think so? Why are people saying it's clearer now? I think the YouTube is clearer with this mic. Maybe I got to move away from it. Is it better that I move away? Because the other mic, I had to be like this. It's all good. It's more deep. It seems different. A janitor that pulls up to the gym. Yeah, sure, buddy. I pull up to, bro. I'll jog to the gym. I don't be pulling up like that. After after the dude told me, you know what happened, right? The dude told me he saw me on YouTube. And then, like, he didn't leave the gym. Like, I was walking in and he was there for a long time. Like, he was there. And then, like, he didn't leave till I left. And then he waited to see where the fuck I go. So, I don't pull up. Like, I park mad far on the at the other end. Or sometimes I just jog to the gym because that's my pre-workout. Like, but the gym I got to jog to is different. Stalker alert, but like I don't want somebody fucking following me. Yeah, I fucking smoked this room up. Let me turn on the AC. Well, it's gonna get light in here. I'm gonna open up the curtain, bring in some fresh air in here. Hold on, give me a sec. I don't know if you heard me. I said, hold on, give me a sec. That's funny. No. Yo. Yeah, I saw what you sent me. I saw what you sent me. I saw. All right. Goodbye. Uh, all right. Ooh, previous 15 had no top wick. Anybody take that? Is that the money printer, right? Was the top wick and then a break of the lows? This is interesting. You got 30 seconds here. I wonder if the 30 can hold resistance. Right? The 15 held. Let's say this 15 taps this high, holds resistance. The next candle is going to need a bottom wick. If we don't hold this resistance, I think we're a really strong chance of moving up here. What time is it? Ooh, and this is the 4-hour close. Man, I would love to have some buys if we could come down here. If we could create a steep bottom wick, I don't think we will, because look at these 2 4-hour candles. But if we could, I would love to come back down to these supports here on the 1 hour. And how do we come down there? We're going to need another top wick. Let's come straight down. This would be amazing if we could come straight down. I don't think we will. If it breaks the highs here, it should be gone. If it comes back down in a range, I think there's a high likelihood it comes down to our level, at which point we could have a buy limit, right? Hold on, 30, 1, 4, 1 hour, yeah. How much pips is this? Yeah, if this happens, I'll probably have a 2 lot at this area. Scary, scary. Will we make a steeper bottom wick? If the 1 hour here and the 4 hour holds this area, right, and stays below here, then we can make a case for resistance holding. But right now, the resistance only held in the 15. I was looking to make a steeper bottom wick on the 4 hour, right? Logically, we're going to need a bottom wick on the 4 hour. I'm just skeptical with how bullish we are, and this closure not respecting the previous level. See how it closed above it. So I think this has a chance to really push, and if it doesn't push now and breaks the lows, it has a chance to just break it and come up heavy, right? If it held this area, if we held resistance here across the board, then we could say, all right, then this should make a really steep bottom wick or a nice push down. All right, there you go. We're all witnesses. Congratulations. You guys have now witnessed price reach all-time highs. Again. So interesting here because look, you just grabbed orders. There's this massive amount of buy stops sitting here at the break of that high. You just grabbed them all, right? And if it doesn't drive, how many pips is this? Damn, nah, we're good. I'm good here. I'm gonna go into the witness protection program because of gold. Good luck to anybody that's trying to cash this fallen knife. If this comes down, it's gonna be a heavy push. Broke it by how much? 7 pips. Oh. Finish this joint here. Stop loss adjusted, not getting stopped out at this point. What is it adjusted on? I didn't know you were in a position. Wow, broke all the highs. Breaks the lows, it should come down. I'm not taking this with a 100 pip stop. But if we can come down here, or if we can close bearish and the next candle, right? If we actually end up closing below that area here, the 1 hour area, then we can say we have an onion and we can take sells. But I would much rather take buys off this area, or we could take sells to our buy limit. We have one position right now at 39.06. What do you mean 39.06? We're at 39.67, bro. All right, re-breaking the lows. Good luck. Can we push? Eight minutes. Let's lock in here. fucking mosquitoes, man. Yo, open this door up. Shoot up. Damn, look at this. This looks great to come down here. Might get our positions down here. Keeps holding. Keeps holding. Keeps holding the 15. Try this again. Hey, you guys hear me on Zoom? Oh, can it?
Yeah.
Did you know I was gonna ask that? Are you just waving your head? You actually heard me? Yo, what am I doing wrong with these setups? Oh, people at the Zoom door. All right. Fucking mosquitoes, man. Making me scared, man. Yous are fucked. I'm setting this AC right now to 45. And not even degrees, 1945. Remember when you guys couldn't fucking live anywhere? The whole world was. Hit me up. All right. Stream Deck software, wavelength, voice chat, monitor chat. Right. Zoom, you guys hear me right now? Yo, y'all hear me? Zoom, you hear me? How about now? How about now? You don't hear me now?
Yep.
You can't hear me though.
Yeah, hearing you fine.
Wait, right now you don't hear me though. Right? Wave your head up and down if you hear me. They can't hear me, YouTube. You guys can. I think I figured it out. We in there. Hell yeah, you guys couldn't hear me right there. Kenny's not sure. Kenny in a
I was
trade.
hearing you both on YouTube and Zoom.
No, you weren't. Wait, hold on. Right now, you don't hear me. Do you hear me? Answer me if you hear me. Anytime now. He doesn't hear. You see right there for the last 15 seconds I was talking. Couldn't hear me. Nice. Now you just got to figure out how to do that again. Oh, come on. There you go. Why? Why can't you open this shit? Oh. Wait, do I gotta close it? Bear with me, chat. I'm still working on the sound settings. Sorry, give me a sec, chat.
Your YouTube Wix is showing stream starting soon.
Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm installing some buttons. There we go. It should be working now. Hold on. Zoom audio.
Yeah, you appear to be back on YouTube as well as Zoom. Yeah, you appear to be back on YouTube as well as Zoom.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. See ya. Oh. I get him? Nah, I fucking missed. I knew it. See them flying around. Yo, I think I just got it. You guys can't hear me when I click this button. Right? Am I cutting out when I click that all the time? I'm cutting out, huh? Yeah. Zoom's like, what the fuck's he doing? W. Now, time for music. Since we're waiting, since there's not much to do just yet, chat. Let's see. Fine on YouTube. Yeah, everything's fine on YouTube. I'm checking the Zoom. YouTube seems to be working fine. The music's working fine. I wanted to be able to mute Zoom, and I want to be able to play music for Zoom so they don't sit there in complete silence. That's my goal right now. While we are all on here, and you guys can give me feedback, it would just make sense for me to do that right now. But there's like 3 or 4 mosquitoes flying around me, attacking me, making fun of me right now. I swear, from different angles. They bit my neck. You can see a welt right there. They bit my elbow up. My kneecaps are done. I have a kneecap on my kneecap. It looks wild. My God. And it's the
Your
kneecap.
mic's working fine on Zoom.
The mic,
No
hold
problem.
on. But like when I press the Zoom mute button, you can't hear me, right? Like I'm going to listen, I'm going to cut out right now, right? Right? I cut out.
Yeah,
you
cut
don't
out.
cut out.
Yeah, so that means that's working. So if I'm able to do that to the Zoom, that means I got to be able to send the music there too.
No, we can't hear you.
That's because I'm not saying nothing. Bars out here. I've been waiting to say muted, bro. No music on Zoom. I'm working on that right now as we speak, Jay.
You're still not talking.
Nope, still not talking. I'm trying to add additional output. That's how I got to do it. Right there. So hold on. I'm gonna send music. Click add addition. Name it something like Zoom mix. Okay, yeah. What did I press? My screen all of a sudden is now showing frames per second plus lat 0.2 seconds or ms. What did I press that this is now showing up on my screen? Do any know? Hmm. All right, we've attempted to come down here. 15, 30, everything's closing above the all-time highs. Because if we close here, right, we're respecting the most recent. It's the 5, closing above the most recent. The 5's faking out. The 15's holding resistance. I mean, holding support. 30's closing above. 4 hours got a weak ass bottom wick, but if we start breaking highs, I mean, it would just make sense. This held. Seller replay. I'm debating if we get a lower wick. Will we need? The 30 respected, huh? Yeah. The 30 clearly respected. I'll be careful only of this level here, 39.67, but we got about 30 pips to get there. Gonna get the celery play here, or is it gonna come back down? Breaks this high, it should run. If it comes down, whichever way it goes here, it's gonna go heavy. If it breaks the highs, it should pull up heavy. If it breaks the lows, it should pull down heavy. Ah, man. Been a couple hours over here. Snapping on myself. What's that thumbnail? You don't like my thumbnail? That's me. What you mean? It's on my thumbnail. I love it. I'm sorry, gang. Sorry, Chad. I've been neglecting you. First of all, let me say thank you guys for showing up here and sticking it out with me, even though there's been no positions. But you guys have been my test audience for the new audio, for the new setup. My test dummies, if you will. Obviously, you aren't dummies. You guys are brilliant. Like, I would not have been able to fix all this audio and sound without you. All right? The brilliance is just... I don't know, can you guys hear me from over here? You hear me well? You do, right? The brilliance should be just seeping through your pores. Damn, you guys heard me from all the way over there. That's so dope. Like, see, I don't have to, like, with that other setup, I had to be like this, making love to the mic, right? It's like this. Now I just... Personal space, bro. Me and you. Technolog, yeah. So, yeah, I'm kind of happy. I'm kind of sad. I'm kind of happy that I was able to get it fixed. I'm sad that it took the whole fucking stream, but it's working, more or less. Bye-bye. Yeah, man, I was hoping this flips bearish, and then we set a buy stop, so we get a bit of a steeper hook on this. But, I mean, I guess that was good. Celery play on the break of the highs here. We were just talking about it. Who took these buys? Not me. Not this guy. 4,000 so close. Oh, yeah. So close. And yet so far away. All the way here. Just another 200 pips. 220 pips. Is it over? Not over. We got some time until it's over. Wait, I wasn't done. We've lost 60 viewers while I was working on the sound. I can't just give up on the sound now if they all left. Right now, we got to finish it up. You already found additional output. That's exactly what we can do. Here's what you do step by step. So add a new output. Yo, I swear, ChatGPT is so stupid. So there's a few things we can do here. This is either going to come back and create a support here to retest the highs, or it's going to come back down in range or take off without us. Fly up. So if we can come down and create a support, we'll hop on that train. If it takes off without us, great. We'll wait longer. If it comes back down in range, we'll wait longer. So, micro. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Sure. Tokyo was more explosive. Maybe from time to time it is. I just haven't really seen anything great. The only good push here we've seen was for NYC Open here, but that was an 80 pip stop. Or that. This was good here on the break at a highs, just a bit of a steeper bottom wick, right? Maybe at 50 pips. Yeah, I hope this comes down in range because then we have plenty of pancake opportunities. But like this, it's gonna be a while. So what are we doing at the gym today? What you mean Turpy did? Turpy did what?
Yeah, Navman was asking me, did you take those buys on the rebreak of the highs? I said no, but I'm sure Turpy did. Because I already
probably had him in support.
Yeah, I already took my W's this morning. I was done. That was it. And yep. And he's like, "What do you mean Turpy did?"
Yeah, I was wondering what you were talking about too. Yeah, behind your back, in front of your face. How about that? Flip on the 5, a good idea. I don't know. We missed it already. Break at a high here is a good idea. Current candle stop. 36 pips. I think you could do about 20 here real quick. Right there. 15. Stops to break even. Perfect. That's it. It's house money at this point. Secure partials at 15. Let's see if it can rock to 30. Before coming back to break even. You can get a lot. You can get like 20 right there. That never came back to break even. You're good. Highs, yeah. 13. 20 pips here on this paper trade. Yeah, baby. Paper trading. Seems so easy. So I started trading. I was like, psh, I'll take a buy right here. Crazy? Why wouldn't I take a buy right here? Next thing you know, the shit, next candle, no top work. I took that, thanks. Yeah, house money real quick. Yeah, now you're out now at hit BE. You took it, you gotta take it according to plan, right? That was the plan. Don't be sitting here right now with no stop. Damn it. Just want to see this candle come down here. 20 pips left my so yeah, I'm gonna take a buy right here. Last words before the account was blown? No. Those weren't the last words. The last words before the account was blown was, God, please help. Make this shit go up. And then boom, account blown. I was like, fuck. Yeah. Fuck was the first word after account blown. Fuck was the first 10 words after the account blown. Fuck, 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 fuck. Forgot chat. I'm gonna take a buy rate. If I said chat, you guys would have all been locked in on a buy here. Oh my God, the viewers are back. 222. We were just at 180. What happened? See, what happened was. Last words. I will take one more pineapple right here. But that's it. We're maxed out at 19 pineapples. I don't want pineapples. How crazy is that? Remember running out of pineapples? Man, I wish I could take one more. You give me enough margin for one more? I see a level. I see a good level. Being in DD all night and morning? Yeah. PTSD. Damn, you guys are just full of consonants. I need a vowel. ADD. Crazy times. London closing coming up soon. Yeah, hopefully we'll see some more volume in about 10 minutes, and hopefully that volume brings us down instead of up. I'm gonna call it around 11. Got 11 minutes. Enjoy your last 11. I'm gonna call it at like 11:30. Probably. Oh, and it's so dope. Now that I got rid of that big ass Go XLR and got the whole Stream Deck, the Elgato ecosystem, I could rock these headsets. I don't need a wired headset. Shout out to all the mills. I'll second that. I'll second that notion for two shout outs to all the mills. Let me know if you guys need a third shout out. Okay. Your way of link stream output shows nozzle can receive a plus mic and can use that kind of efficient microphone. Wavelength stream. Does Zoom have music now? Do you guys not have music? Oh, hold on. There gotta be. Honestly. guys hear music on Zoom? I probably got to restart Zoom. You hear a replay? You hear a replay? Device working properly. You don't hear music on Zoom? Yeah. But it ain't the Zoom, it's you guys. Y'all got that crowd deafness. It's contagious. It's contagious. So I be saying, just, you know, don't be rubbing ears with nobody on Zoom. You know, what happens? I got that crowd deafness. These guys are fucking with you? No, they would tell me if there was music on Zoom.
I mean, if you guys want music on Zoom, I'm happy to sing for you guys.
Do
But
it.
if
Sing
your
for
ears
them,
bleed-
baby.
If your
Let's
ears
go.
bleed, you can't sue me.
Thanks, Joey.
We got one nay.
Oh, we got people saying, "Do it, do it." Hey, look at that! Look at that! People wanna go deaf. You know what? I love Mondays, bro. I love Mondays. It's a great, great, great day. Love Mondays. Money Mondays, baby.
We're gonna get new highs here today. What a draggy session today. Yo, how do I put chat in slow mode? Hey, when I put chat in slow mode, mods don't get it, right? Mods are don't have slow mode. All right, boom. Flow mode activated.
Bro, it's already in slow mode. How's it activated on even slower mode, bro?
Oh, because we're gonna do a random giveaway.
Oh, okay.
Mods can't win.
Oh, okay.
Oh, God.
I'm not trying.
Yo, mute my YouTube so I don't hear my echo. No, mods can't win. Let's go. Chat, first one. Number 0 to 100. Go. 0 to 100. First one to get it. Tom Taylor wins. Tom Taylor won. You guys don't even get a chance. First guess. Good job, Tom Taylor. I wrote it down. Not 42. You guys don't even have to guess. I'm gonna turn off slow mode. Bro, you know, honestly, Tom Taylor, that was the very first guess by anyone from anywhere. Steven Dancer 777 wasn't even like a legitimate number. I said 1 to 100, right? And you were the first message of a number and you actually guessed it. That's fucking crazy. I don't know how you did that, bro. How the fuck did you do that? You literally said 40. That was the very first thing. That was like, I wrote it down. I said go, and he wrote 42. I'm like, what the fuck? I don't know how you did that, but you win. Congrats. Dude, easy. Honestly, it was so random. I was like, maybe 55, 64, 42, or whatever. Like, you know. That's pretty nuts, bro. Pretty freaking nuts.
So what did he win?
Oh, nothing. Just congratulations.
Oh, nice. Yo, congratulations, bro. You are the winner of nothing today.
I'm kidding. He's gonna win a 25K.
All right, let me put it in the
Yeah, throw that in the list. Throw him in a list.
what you would call it.
Add him to the list.
So it was Tom, right?
Tom Taylor. Yo, I need a name and email from you. So we got to do it on stream. Give me your full name and email right here, right now on stream. Or tell me the account that you're going to DM me from. And then that's the account I'll give it to when they DM me. Otherwise, everyone's going to DM. Tell me the account you're going to DM. But I need your full name and email to send you your account. I'm guessing Tom Taylor is your full name. TomTaylor@gmail.com. Tom. Okay, Tom Taylor at what at Tom Taylor? You gotta give me the whole email. Damn, you can just put it out here. All right, everybody, email Tom Taylor. Holy shit! The hourly just closed. It's London open. 4 hours made a top wick. We could still flip here. We don't flip. I might have a buy limit here at this area. Come on. gonna be a big stop, but I might play these differently on the funded and the live. Yeah, I might flip here before getting there. I think that was the better play here. It's a 50 pip stop there. You know what it is? Actually, no, I'm not even going to say it. I'm a gatekeep that shit. Fight a course. On Insta, I will DM you from, at Tom Taylor. That's it. Okay. I took a picture. Wait. I just want to say congratulations, Tom Taylor. Okay, wait, let me turn off slow mode. This shit's in slow mode. Eddie. Yo, where is Eddie? Where is Eddie? 3 underscores in the middle. I got you. All right, yeah. I just need your full name, your email, and then you can have a top 1 futures 25K. 25. Congratulations to you, sir. You are today's winner. I wish I could clap it up for you, but I can't. Not connected. But what can we do for you?
All right, I'm gonna call it. So I want to thank you, Wix. Thank everybody for the awesome day. Wish you guys lots of profits and pips. Do not overtrade. We are at 99 likes. So if somebody out there could drop a like that they haven't.
One more like.
Our minimum of 100. Yeah, that would be really appreciated. Don't forget to sub to the channel. Appreciate you all. It is possible that Turpy might be streaming tonight for Asian session. We will keep you guys
like
posted.
in Spanish?
Sorry?
How do you say like in Spanish?
Gustar.
Uno más
Gusta el
gustar.
botón. Gusta, toca el botón de gustar.
Awesome.
So,
Uno más gustar, por favor.
Sí, una más gusta, por favor.
Gusta.
Uno más gusta, sí. So, Turpy's probably gonna stream tonight, but it's not a guarantee yet. So I will keep you guys posted in the chat. And thank you to Wix and everybody else for coming to join. And we will see you guys tonight. If
Discord,
it's on, if
Discord.
not tomorrow for New York. Sorry?
Discord, free Discord.
Yes, exactly. Free Discord. So go ahead and sign up for the free Discord. The link is in the chat. Don't forget, top1futures.com. Get your instant funded accounts so they're easier instead of going through the challenge. They are a little bit more expensive, but they are worth it because you can use code WIX to get a massive discount. That's WIX, code WIX, to get a massive discount, 40% or more. And take advantage of that and get paid quickly. All right, gang. Much love to y'all. Thank you very much. Kenny, everybody, all the mods, Nate, Turpy, Wix, Jonathan, Green, everybody. I'm going to miss a few options, Bougie, all that. Love you guys. See you guys tonight, if not tomorrow, during New York session. Tom as well. Yes. Thanks, guys. Take care.
Thank you. Oh, wait. That was. How do I go back to this? I gotta delete it, right? I can't even continue typing. It was supposed to be get massive discount. I can't, I'm crying. This shit was supposed to say get massive discount. Use code WIX. I can't with this shit. Yo, we're gonna come down. Might get this position. Yo! Coming out the closet. Even the closet intact. Gonna be the stop here. I'm gonna keep this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep this pretty tight. It's gonna be just like a 10 pip stop here. Buy limit 2, 10 pip stop, 11 pip stop. Very little. I want to see a bounce right off this area. If it breaks it, it's 10, 11 pips here. I'm sorry. Wait, that's more than 10. That's 15. 15 pips. So high likelihood it blasts through it, but if it doesn't, you know, we just want that first initial reaction. Also, if it blasts through it and comes down here, I will look for this level here. Sorry. No, I won't. We'll be breaking back in range. No, I won't. I think we just saw the reaction we wanted to see here. Yeah, that might have been it. Instant SIM funded or STF SIM Pro account, which is best to use? This is an instant SIM that I'm trading here. Yeah, this is kind of what we wanted to see. Bounced off the resistance here off the 5. Damn, I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was muted. Thank you. Thank you, Farzo. Thank you for coming in handy. Once in a while. But you see, remember the boy that cried wolf? You always say muted. And then when you say it for real, nobody believes you because you just say it all the time. Right. But anyway, I was wondering where Benny was because I haven't seen him all morning. So I walked out to the living room and my front door was open. It's not locked. And when it's not locked, Benny has figured out how to like pull it open. Like he'll nudge it open. And so I gotta lock the door. And what happens is I just walked out there and Benny's out there looking out the door like with his face sticking out. Just all you see just his nose and teeth sticking out the front door in between the door and the wall. Why does Wix sound AI? Bro, we got a nice mic setup. New setup, baby. Killing the game. Anyway, it's kind of scary. Like if you were walking by, like first of all, if you were walking by and walking with a dog, your dog would probably be like dessert right now or main course, whatever. But if you were walking by and you just saw that, it is a scary sight because there was nothing holding him back from just running out. But he's just standing there, he's sticking out the door. It just sounds too clean to be normal. I don't know. Yeah, no, you know what? I'm not a sound engineer. I've just learned to be one over the last 2 days on YouTube University. And I don't even have a degree in this shit yet. But, you know? So this is the best I did with the compressors, the equalizers, the denoisers, the essers, the noise suppressants, everything that had to be done. This is the best I could do from all my knowledge that I have right now. And if it could be adjusted to a better studio quality voice, great. But I just don't know how to do that. Right? But what I do know how to do is how to dry scoop this fucking protein. Oh, so you're not fenced out? My front door? My front door? No, there's a alley thing. There's a walkway that leads to my front door. Everything is fenced out except the front walkway. Like you can walk. Yo, where's my protein? What the f? It's gone. Go back to the store. I ain't even gonna have any left to sprinkle on my joint. You know I gotta sprinkle a little bit of... You know, if your joint don't have at least 15 grams of protein, do you even lift? Honestly. Honestly. Even lift? My joint got fucking beef, dust, everything on it with a little bit of protein. Go sniff the shit, I dare you. What I look like? A New Yorker? Oh, but like you have a gate and fence around the house? Yeah, and security. And I got a big sign that says, "Fuck the dog, beware of the owner." Gotta be honest with you, gang. Do not like this. I do not like green eggs and ham. And pitbull's illegal down there? No, they're frowned upon. And B, Benny ain't a pitbull. What the hell is green eggs? Dr. Seuss, my friend, Dr. Seuss. Right? Today, you are you. That is truer than true. There's no one alive who is fewer than you. Okay, my friend? Why is Aunt Kenny muted? Because she on the phone. He making moves right now. Like somebody ain't coming through with their shipment. Off with their head. I want the evidence on video. And tell his wife the debt's not cleared. She owes it now. Call me back when my chopper's ready. Bitch. And put a hit on this guy named Wicks. He's fucking pissing me off. Yo, I honestly don't know. I don't know if I like this. I don't know if I like this buy limit. I think I like these hourly levels much better. Might be waiting for that. Yeah, we're going to get rid of these buy limits here. Oh man, it's such little risk. Such little, $300. Can we do it? Through it, support. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm going to cancel this here. You get cancer, bruh. Do not like it. It might work. Just don't like it here based on the higher time frame. There's no supports here on the 30, on the 1. You have a resistance here that could turn to support, but then it's down here, right? So you're going to look to play this 15 area, right? So maybe this is a higher quality position here. I mean, you guys could take it if you want, but I just don't like that. I like the buy limit summary for wicks that we made during all-time highs. I noticed that we get resistance start support for the rebound, not for the wicks, not the candle closures. I don't know. I'm looking at this 4-hour, and I feel like the 4-hour can come down here to these areas. And the wick that we wanted to take advantage of, right, that push up, it happened. It happened right there. That's what we wanted. That's exactly what I want. For it to happen now a second time on the scam, maybe we'll get a reaction, but we're not going to get this flip again, that bullish flip after breaking these lows. Man, shit, watch. We break the lows and we get that flip again, but that reaction that I want to happen. So now as it breaks down here, I will look for it out down here. If we get to 56 areas, like 180 pips down today, I'll look for it over here. Doubt we will, but if we do get there, I will look for it there. I just cannot look for it up here just now. Not until it's also a 30 or an hourly level as well. For me, I see we get those pullbacks and pushes out of them when we tap the exact level that was all-time high in the past. Yeah, but it already happened here. It happened here with this wick. It happened, tap these areas. Now we broke the lows again, right? Now you have another reaction here. As we keep breaking the lows, like my level here is less likely to hold. As we keep seeing a reaction, a pump up off these levels. Every time we re-break the lows, less likely we are to hold it and continue down. Danielle, team, yo Wicks, long time. Wagwan, my youth. What you say? 8 minutes to the hourly closure. It's 8 minutes to the 30. Oh yeah. Sorry, 30. Yeah. Is it better to wait? I don't know if it's better to wait because this is the last 8 minutes of volume before lunchtime. And you know what? Lunchtime is crunch time. What are we going to do? We're going to do crunches all lunchtime. 4K in the end of the month, don't you think? Sure. Before the end of the year, definitely. Well, I don't know, definitely. That's what I think. I think before the end of the year. I definitely think before the end of the year. Put it that way. Damn, so what's not resolved? No music on Zoom. Echo in the headphones has been resolved. There's no more buzzing sound. Mic, we can erase that. No, just no music on Zoom right now. Yo, what are we doing today, Chad? What are we doing in the gym? Oh, here we go. Here we go. We're coming back down to that level. What are we doing in the gym today? I'm gonna let you guys choose what body part I work out. What muscle group are we gonna hit today? Give me the muscle group. Those ears. What about some legs? I'm down to hit some legs today. I'm down for some legs and abs. Calisthenics. Bruh. Neck. Back and biceps for sure. No, because day before yesterday, I did bis and tris. I did arms. And yesterday I did back. So it would be a crime to do both today because the last 2 days were that. It's arms and back. So I usually do bis and tris in the same day. You know, full arm pump. Lower back. Yeah, lower back deserves like its own day, but I throw that into the back. Yes, like yesterday I did some deadlifts and some bent over rows. Anything but chest because all machines are full. It's Monday. Yeah, that's International Chest Day. And the machines are going to be full on Mondays for chest. So for me, it was like, I'm looking at it here 2 ways right now. It's either legs and abs or shoulders. Because back and arms was done. International Chest Day, no machines. So I got, the other 2 are legs or shoulders. And I did shoulders right before the bis and tris, but I didn't do legs since probably 4 or 5 days ago. So probably legs, and I might do both. I might do supersets. I might just like do legs and shoulders, or superset shoulders with legs. I might do that. I'm going to pump you up. Legs, so you don't have to worry about it the rest of the week. I never worry about it. I look forward to it. I'm at that point where I just look forward to getting in the gym. And as long as I'm doing some shit, I used to get in the gym and be like, damn, I'm spending all this time on legs. When no one's going to see them. I could just be doing my fucking shoulders and back. And like, I'm wasting a day here. Just doing legs. Shit ain't no one going to see. But like, you need legs to fucking, to do to get bigger everywhere else, right? To get stronger in other parts, legs, you need a base, right? So I got itchy ear. Hold on. Itchy ear. I wish I could do what the dogs do. All right, that worked. Anyway. Yeah, and you know, lately, like, I just want to do legs because I feel like I'm walking around and I'm like, oh man, I feel like cramped up. Like lately, I have I don't even give a shit if I'm wasting a day and not building upper body. Right? I just feel like I want to do them because I'm gonna be less crampy here. Gotta get that old man strength. Damn. We're gonna see a pump here. We're gonna see a bounce, or we're gonna see a heavy drop. Nice opening here. No top wick. That's interesting. We wouldn't be activated. Wow, look at that. Where it bounced from 39.72 on the dot. Round. Nice round. It's 11:30 here. Wait, this makes me want to wait because this might close in our direction. We could get this retest to the highs. You know what? Let's see what happens here because I'm gonna roll this joint right now while I have you guys on here while we're all jamming. I'm on jamming with you. Jamming. You know I like jamming too. Anyway, hold on. If we can break the lows again, then maybe buy stops. Oh, I see what you're saying. You mean break the lows on this current candle and then re-break the highs on the current candle? Oh, you're despicable. I love it. That would be so offensive. Yeah, it could happen on the 30, definitely, and then off to the races, but I don't think that's going to happen. I think once you break these lows here, you need to come down back in range, right? Right? Why do we need to come back in range, Wix? It just would make sense if you're not driving up, you're driving off a higher time frame resistance here, right? If you start breaking lows, you start breaking support. But if you don't break the lows, you hold this. Yeah, I don't even think you need to re-break the lows. Maybe a 15 closure like it is right now. Right? And then that gives you your onion here. Maybe the next 30 next 15 would continue up here as we start breaking highs here, right? That's the 30 re-break of the highs, and the hourly could make its merry way up and look like it's supposed to look here. This. Yo, can somebody turn the clock off, please? What is that? Thank God. You just don't want this to go up now, right? We have 10 minutes into 15. Let it fucking rock around here. And once it's done, we'll make a decision. I think I'm going to stick around for this 15-minute candle, and that's going to be it. That's what I'll call it. I mean, good first stream with the new mic setup and the new equipment, the new software, the new audio. I still think that's a W. I still think there's a lot of value in terms of what we discussed on stream, what we've avoided, what we've taken advantage of, and what we've learned. The possibilities for today, for later on, right? As we have the 4-hour bullish at the moment. We have the daily bullish. The overall market is bullish. The weekly is bullish. The monthly is bullish. The 30 is bullish. Why? That closed bearish, Wicks? Because it closed bearish above resistance. So that means it's forming a new support. It's bullish. And the 15, same thing. Also bullish. So we just need to hold the support and break highs to have high degree of confidence in our positions, which means, can we wait 9 more minutes here to hold support without driving up? I will also say this: if we drive up right now and we're able to close above 39.81, above this general area here, right? Guess we have a level there. We're able to start pulling up here, right? And doing something like this. I would not mind taking buys here at these areas. Re-breaking the all-time highs because we pulled up, created resistance, came down, bounced off a support. Now we're going to be breaking the resistance after bouncing off support. Bullish day works. Same thing. I'll probably something like this. I'll probably keep a 20 pip TP for partials and then maybe 100 pips for the runner, and then that'll be all she wrote. But things will take time to set up. Right now, we're waiting for these next 8 minutes. And after that, we'll decide if we're going to be in there or we'll call it a stream. It's been a long morning already. Yo, I really fuck with what TW got going on with his BDH. It's pretty dope. I like that compound thing. I want to do the same thing. I want to do the same thing. I would vibe with that guy. I like exactly what he's doing. I like everything he's doing. I just don't like how he trades. I mean, it's not that I don't like. I don't know how he trades. I know it's not like me because he's got moving averages, trend lines, but I like that whole vibe. I like that shit. I would have a new trader in there every day as well. Credit Focus. Haven't heard from him in a while. Focusing probably somewhere. He's always somewhere in the back creeping. Gully creeper. Used to be a banger. Do the gully creeper. Nalinga. Where to focus? Good luck. If this break the low, legs definitely so that you don't have to worry. All right. Let's slow down. Anyone short in the market today? Anyone short gold? Or anyone get caught in shorting gold? Hello. I'm in Europe with Ginobili. LOL, that would be suicidal. What, taking shorts today? Yeah. It wouldn't be suicidal. I'm just wondering if anyone felt lucky today. Trying to catch a falling knife. I mean, look, today we sat here for 3 hours. We fucking watched gold move like it drank 3 Red Bulls and 2 espressos. Straight up. And a fucking colada. Cuban colada. But like, you know, back in the day, like days like this, I would be sitting here all day thinking, man, should I have jumped in? I should have jumped in, right? I should have jumped in right there. Oh, where did I? And then, right? And you always end up jumping in because you're sitting there like, I should have. And then you just jump in because you've talked yourself into the fact that you should have already been in there. Meanwhile, you know you're late, but you just need to be in there. You're like, I should have. But today, nothing lined up. No closure, no setup, no entry, right? We just sat back and let it go. And watch, you'll fast forward an hour, charts will be blowing up. Gold will either reverse or start pumping again, right? And I'm telling you, you're going to smile, right? Because of like, I shoulda. And at the end of the day, you avoided the I shoulda. Gonna smile because of that. Like sometimes you don't gain pips, right? You just gain patience, right? The discipline, the boring, the silent move. I don't know. The stuff that doesn't happen, right? I swear, like sometimes the most profitable trade is the one you'll never take. Right? Peep game. Sometimes the most profitable trade is the one you'll never take. Hello, that would be suicide. TTE did what? Oh, it took short. We at TTE tried a few shorts. They didn't go. He said we at TTE. Sorry, I'm not laughing. You tried it too short. I like how you put that. We at TTE. All right. Shout out to the TTE crowd in the building. Can't believe I caught 2 highs since yesterday. Bro, if you were by my house, you would catch a 3rd high right now. Right? Because this shit's getting smoked whether you're here or not. Back above the range we close. So we just spoke about this, right? If we can get this closure to be above the, well, how about no? Said Wix, fuck off. Go home. Go to bed. We're not closing above. Look. What are you doing? We just spoke about this. If we get this closure above the range, well, maybe the 30 and the hourly, right? But that means we got to wait till noon. And then guess what? Noon is lunchtime. And lunchtime is basically robbery time. You know why? Because at lunchtime, the shit walks over here and says, nobody move. and this shit don't move. I'm a TTE guy through and through, but I hang out on your stream after our TT stream because the vibe is nice. All right, I love it. As long as you're not the guy that said, "Oh, he copied TTE." And we're cool. You know what's cool though? You ain't the only one. Sometimes Nick comes through here as well after his stream. Yeah, he not even something. He comes through a bunch of times. He always shows love. He's just that type of dude. You see, Nick's the type of dude where you'll never ask him, "Yo, what's up? How you doing?" You never be like, "Oh, this shit's going." He's always like, "Oh yeah, we're doing this and that, and I got this." He's always like upbeat. It's like you either hate it or love it, right? You either love the positivity, or you hate the fact that there's people that got shit going for them and you don't. Like, but I just like the positivity. I like positive people. Try to stay away from negative Nancy's. OIA. Okay, I'm out. Peace, Wix. Thanks for the stream. I got you, my African friend. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. До свидания. Давай, до свидания. Later. Yeah, I'm sorry, gang. We were waiting here. This was the final hurrah. We were hoping either a 15 print support down here, or it closes up us above the most recent resistance, so we can look for more buys. Unfortunately, neither one has happened. It's filled the whole range, so we didn't get a support down here, and it didn't close above. It closed right at resistance. So all we have right now is the confirmation that this right here is a range, right? 39.74, right from here to 39.81 is a range. At this point, any closure above or below this area would work. Sells, I would not recommend. I would not look for sells. Today, we're massively bullish. But what I would look for, in case the sells do play out, is to find a support from where we can continue back up after the sells have bottomed out. That's what I would focus on. Gonna light up a joint. See you later, TT. My Wigs for life. All right, WW. So TT got AB mic. We got AB bands. Damn, we have our own AB as well. And we got a green. And our green is better than your green. How about that? Our green has a... Nah. I don't have a beep. I don't have a mute button here. Yeah, I gotta set that button up again. Okay, let's call it a session here. If I see something setting up while I'm still home, obviously I'll call in the signal channel. But sometimes biggest trade is the one you'll never take. Zoom. Thank you guys for rocking with me for 4 hours here without taking a trade, building discipline, just sticking to your guns, sticking to your habits, winning habits, right? And when it does show up, I mean, it'll be a banger. So we waited all this time. Let's make sure it's a high quality position when it gets here. Kenny, Nick, Dr. Holmes, Jorge, Jay, everybody else that was on Zoom. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for showing up. I'll see you guys in the clubhouse, and hopefully tonight for Turpy's stream if I'm home on time. I'll probably be back at around 8:30 and hop in there with you guys. And yeah, mods, thank you for helping me run the stream as always. Appreciate you guys. Congrats to our 25K winner, Tom Taylor. Congratulations, our random 25K account giveaway today. giveaway winner. And congrats to everybody else that's receiving their accounts this morning and last night. Whose accounts were delayed. You guys got an extra bonus. W. We're looking to continue having our green weeks. Last week we fought our way out of it, ended it in green. So let's continue tomorrow. Signal channel will be live. I'll be trading in the Signal channel tonight. Thank you, all of you guys, for showing up day in and day out and rocking with me throughout the entire time. I will see you guys tomorrow, because you already know my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Thanks again, and don't worry, it's only Monday. Mondays tend to be a bit rangy, a bit pullbacky. I think we'll pulley backy, but I think we'll be back in full swing of things and a little better structure tomorrow, tonight. Let it play out. Let Monday. Later.